Although Mental Health Awareness Week has gone past, it's never too late to talk about mental health. Mental health awareness is a crucial aspect of our well-being, and it involves recognizing and understanding the importance of mental health in our lives. It's vital because it highlights the significance of discussing mental health openly and without stigma. Mental health affects every individual, and acknowledging it allows us to create a supportive environment for those who may be struggling. By promoting mental health awareness, we can reduce the stigma around mental health issues, encourage people to seek help when needed, and foster a society that values and prioritizes mental well-being alongside physical health. So here's what I got up to for my mental health. Sometimes in the hustle and bustle of life, it's important to slow down and savor the sweet moments, like sharing waffle and ice cream with my brother. Despite our regular meetings, we rarely have one-on-one times, and times like this, with laughter and banter, really made it special. A few days later, I hit the road to London for my cousin's baby shower. I felt confident, my makeup was on point, my lashes intact, and my car was running smoothly. It's always such a special moment when you're celebrating a new life coming into the world, so it was really good to see familiar faces, family and friends. After the baby shower, I decided I needed to visit my cousin who lives outside of London. It was about 3 hours drive, but honestly it was so worth it for the quality time that was spent. I made sure to bring my laptop along just so I could catch up on some personal admin duties. Even though I was away from home, I was still able to be productive. Once the work was done, I relaxed by catching up with one of my favourite shows, Lupin. Let me know in the comments below if you're actually watching that and how you find it so far. Later, my cousin, who's training to become a nail technician, wanted to do my nails. And please, me complain? No way. Getting pampered is my love language. Who can resist a free nail makeover? Check out the final results. Let me know in the comments how she did. Self-care, family time, and a little pampering. What more could a girl ask for? And on the topic of mental health, remembering to discuss mental health openly and compassionately is a key step towards ensuring that no one feels alone in their struggles and that everyone has the opportunity to access the support that they need. Thank you for getting this far in my video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll definitely see you in my next one.